So here we go, Menhir Express. Everybody all right? Everybody excited? Woohoo! Here we go, first drop. Oh! Can you see? Ready? Whee! It's quite a fast moving one, this. Whoosh! Whee! Nice views of Osiris. Hi, Osiris!
Hi, Osiris.
Casper's new favourite. Oh. Oh, it's slammed into these corners. Oh, oh. Yes, it will be me. I'm at the front. I didn't have Eden at the front, but they told me I had to go first. So here we go. So we find out how wet I'm going to get now. Unusual drop. Oh, crikey. Oh. I'm getting thrown all over the place here. Hey, oh, crikey. It's like a rapids, really. What they do have here, they have a really unusual dark ride section down here. How's everybody so far? Yeah. So, you see Asterix is there within a pic. Oh, gonna help me out. What do you found? This kind of reminds me of Gruffalo here. Not to fall back here. There we go, this is the main drop coming up. Nice views of two tortoises over there. Yes, that's the new ride that's coming up there. Here we go. Did I block it for everyone then? Oh. Soaked. Robin looks like she's wet herself. Are you wet, Eden? Yeah. We're all wet. Oh, that's a good water ride.